Close your eyes for a second. Can you hear it? The noise. Not the noise outside, but the noise inside your head. That constant itch to check your phone. That fear of just being still. You are being hunted by an enemy you cannot see, and right now, he is winning. They want you distracted. They want you weak, because a weak person is easy to control. But today, the game changes. You aren't watching this by accident. The old, lazy version of you is dying, and the version of you that will dominate is finally waking up. Most people are slaves to their screens. They chase cheap clicks and likes that leave them empty. But you are going to chase total power. Real motivation doesn't come from a speech. It comes from winning. Every time you put your phone away, you win. Every time you finish a hard task, you grow. Here is the secret code to rewire your brain for victory. Rule 1. The dark room. When you feel the urge to scroll, sit still. Don't move. Let the boredom burn. That burn is the sound of your brain fixing itself. Rule 2. The hardest hit. Stop doing the easy stuff first. Pick the one job you are afraid of and attack it immediately. You don't wait to feel ready. You win by taking action. Rule 3. Silent success. Stop telling the world your plans. Stop posting your goals. Work in the dark and let your results speak for you. While they are playing, you are mastering. You feel that spark in your chest? That's your potential trying to get out. It's time to show the world what happens when you finally take control. No more excuses. No more tomorrow. Only power. Only focus. Only domination. If you ever feel weak, come back here. Listen to this. Remember your mission. You were born to lead, not to follow. Now, get to work. Subscribe to stay awake. Comment "Dominate" right now if you are taking your life back today. I'll see you at the top.